In this video, I will show you how to mix audio using motion array music tracks. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. On motion array, you want to go over to music. In the left column, you have filters which can help refine your search. So I am going to scroll down to free songs. You then want to find music that fits the mood for your video. Okay, so I'm going to download Modern Interior. Scroll to the right and click download and your file will begin downloading. Once it has completed, go to your downloads folder, open it and double click to unzip the file and then add it to your home screen. Go to your editing software and insert your new file. You can then drag it down onto your timeline. If there is speaking in your video, you can click your music file and then click audio 1 next to it. Go to your inspector page and turn on ducker. So now when there is speaking, the music will automatically lower so the person's voice can be heard. If you need to make cuts in your audio, you can simply press Ctrl B to make cuts and then you can trim it as needed. If you need to EQ the music, you can go to the music page. And here you have more options. You can add fairlight, effects, and other options and tools. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.